Struggling to get matches on Tinder? Let's fix that in under 2 minutes. Step 1. Optimize your profile picture. Use a high-quality photo where you're smiling and looking approachable. Avoid group shots. People want to see you, not your friends. Step 2. Craft a compelling bio. Write a bio that stands out. Keep it light, fun, and true to who you are. A little humor or a unique detail about you can spark interest. Step 3, be selective with swipes. Don't just swipe right on everyone. Be selective. Tinder's algorithm rewards meaningful engagement, so swipe right on profiles that truly interest you. Step 4, start conversations creatively. Once you match, kick off the conversation with something interesting. Avoid the classic hey. Instead, ask something unique based on their profile or photos. Step 5, stay active and consistent. Engage regularly, update your profile every so often, and be consistent. Tinder's algorithm favors active users. That's it. Optimize your profile, be selective, and start strong conversations. Follow these tips and watch your Tinder matches grow. Don't forget to subscribe for more dating tips.